For the first time in history, Turkey has successfully conducted a fully autonomous close-formation flight using two unmanned fighter jets. On December 28, Baykar announced that two Kizilelma jet-powered combat drones flew side by side at high speed without any human intervention. The entire mission was executed using artificial intelligence, onboard sensors, and real-time data sharing, allowing the aircraft to maintain precise positioning while flying extremely close to each other. This test took place in Turkish airspace and marks the first publicly demonstrated autonomous close-flight operation of its kind anywhere in the world. The achievement is far more complex than it looks. Flying in close formation at high speed requires advanced navigation algorithms, collision avoidance systems, and continuous coordination between aircraft. Any delay or miscalculation could result in catastrophic failure. Baykar's system handled all of this autonomously, proving that AI-controlled combat drones can safely operate as a coordinated team rather than as isolated units. This capability is a key milestone for future air combat, where groups of unmanned systems may operate alongside or even ahead of piloted fighter jets. The Kizilelma unmanned fighter was first unveiled in 2022 and is designed for offensive missions, air-to-air combat, and cooperative operations with manned aircraft. It features stealth characteristics, AI-based flight control, long-range communication links, and internal weapons bays. With a maximum takeoff weight of around 6,000 kilograms, Kizilelma can operate from land bases as well as aircraft carriers with short takeoff and landing capabilities. This successful autonomous formation flight signals a major shift in modern warfare, where artificial intelligence is no longer just assisting pilots, but flying the mission itself.